Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. Solve x belongs to real numbers. X cube minus x over 2 whole cube minus cube root of x cube minus 3x over 2 is equal to 2x. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it on. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, challenging algebraic problems are uploaded here. So we cannot find these problems in any other channel. So let us take by substitution. X cube minus x is equal to 2a. X cube minus x is equal to 2a. Over here taking 2a means here the denominator is 2, that's why we are taking 2. If the denominator is 3, we'll take 3a. So here x cube plus 3x, let us take it as 2b. So here also the same case, the denominator is 2, we are taking 2b. Now here if you add both of this or if you subtract these two, what will get 4x 4x here 2b cube we are taking x cube plus 3x equal to 2b cube. So here if you subtract the second one from the first one, so 4x is equal to 2b cube minus 2a. Second minus 1 second one minus first one. So here this value is subtracted from this value. So what will get here, b cube minus a is equal to 2x. Taking 2 common, you will get 2x value. Now we can substitute in the given equation. So here this is a cube a cube minus b, here 2x is equal to b cube minus a. So from this you'll get a cube minus b cube plus a minus b equal to 0. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus 1 equal to 0. So here you are using the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And you are taking a minus b common. A minus b common, you are getting this value. So here this is not having real values, no real solution for this. Now here you are taking a is equal to b. So here what is a value? X cube plus 3x by 2. So this is the a value. B value, cube root of x cube plus 3x by 2 is equal to a value x cube minus x by 2. So a value and b value are substituting. Here what will get x cube plus 3x is equal to cubing on both sides by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 x cube minus x whole cube. So this 2 will go here 4 times. So here you can take x common. You can take x common. So x cube x square, x square plus 3 is equal to, here also we are taking x common, x square minus 1 whole cube. So here we'll get x cube common by 4. So here x is equal to 0 or x equal to 0 or 4 into x square plus 3 is equal to x square into x square minus 1 whole cube. So x is equal to 0 is one solution. So here let us take x square minus 1 is equal to t. So x square minus 1 is equal to t. X square is equal to t plus 1. So if you substitute this value in the given equation, this one, so 4 into t plus 4 is equal to t plus 1 into, here we'll get t cube. Now if you multiply this, 4t plus 16 is equal to t power 4 plus t cube. Now if you send all the terms to one side, t cube, t power 4 plus t cube minus 4t minus 16 equal to 0. So here you can take this term and this term. So here you can write it as t square minus 4 into t square plus 4 plus, here you can take t common. In these two terms you can take t common, t square minus 4 equal to 0. From this you can take t square minus 4 common, t square plus t plus 4 equal to 0. So here you won't get real solutions. So you'll take the first one, t square is equal to 4, t is equal to plus or minus 2. So here what is the t value? X square minus 1 equal to 2 or x square minus 1 is equal to minus 2. X square is equal to 3 or x square is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to plus or minus root 3 or x is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1. This is not real. So therefore we are getting x value plus or minus root 3 comma 0. So I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.